Welcome nga pala guys sa aking YouTube channel. At ngayon nga pala ay panoorin natin ang naganap na laban ng January 3 dito sa bansang Pilipinas. Dahil po dumayo po ang isang Hapon upang makalaban ang ating mandirigmang Pinoy. At ang Hapon nga pala ito ay si Kai Ishizawa. At ang pambato naman nating Pinoy ay si Reggie Suganov. Nais pong patunayan ng Hapon na mas magaling siya kaysa sa mga Pinoy. Kaya siya po mismo ang dumayo dito sa atin upang hamunin ang ating pambato. Sa edad nga po nila ay 1 taon lang ang pagitan. At ang panalo po nila 14 sa Pilipino at 12 sa Hapon. 4 lang po ang knockout ng Pilipino at 10 naman sa Hapon. Halina at panoorin natin ang naganap ng laban ng January 3. Dahil sa hindi pa naman sila masyadong sikat, sila po ay hindi nabalita na may laban po sila dito sa ating bansang Pilipinas. At tara panoorin po natin ito.
Be very careful of. Suganov suffers loss in his career just last year, last July 2. So that was against Sivanati Lotshinga. And he was Wellian. Itong si Ronald Chacon. So dito po sa round number 1, medyo nagkakapaan pa sila. The longer fights would favor the Filipino, who's more of a boxer, a stylist, and he is a power hitter, but now he's displaying some power. 4-punch combination, no response for Asia's very young Luisito Espinosa. The way he's built and the hand speed. That division is where the most championships have been taken by Filipinos. Kalaban from Japan. 1 minute remaining here, the opening round scheduled for 12.
Medyo nakakalamang ang ating pambato. At sa pagkataon nga po yun na yan ay palaging nasasapol ang Hapon. At hindi na po alam niya kung anong
Coming from Ishizawa. It's Ishizawa's turn right now to try to... By our unofficial scorecards, this 27-year-old from Japan has... Ishizawa absorbing some punishment. That's a left hook to the head. More shots to the head coming from Suganov. University Gymnasium in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Ito po si Noel Zarate para sa PTV4. We knew he was the aggressor at the start. That uppercut goes through. Na ginagawa pa so far, itong si Suganov to take that away. And that is a display to the judges. Back to bring you the rest of round number 6. Suddenly, bumuhos na naman si Suganov. Not very accurate on the punches, but still enough. Body exchange. Ishizawa getting a little successful now with those inside incursions. Good left coming from Suganov. But again, Ishizawa just wants to pin him against the ropes and throw 1 million punches. Uppercut. Gets through another combination here. It's a late surge that might steal the round for Suganov. Until that point, Ishizawa now entered the 7th round. Still very much the same, but now napapabilis na yung pagsugod dito nitong si Kai Ishizawa of Japan. And the referees, Danrex Tapdasan, instructs them on what not to do in a tie-up like that. You can see that Suganov's power is sort of taken a breather at the moment. As early as the first round, tuldok pa lamang po. The doctor had to be brought in to check it out. Fight still continues and looks like the wound has been quelled for the moment. Ishizawa once again pounding inside. No response coming from Suganov, who tries to push him back to the middle of the ring. Now Suganov's reach advantage has been inside shots coming from Ishizawa. Pati yung depensa ni Sugano, unti-unti na pong nadidismantle. Itong fighter from Japan. What had been working for Sugasa and the combinations to the head, kasi unti-unti na nga napapasara na niya yung mata ng kanyang kalaban. But in this case, boy, Ishizawa looks like the first 5 rounds were just a testing. 2 combination shots launched there by Sugano. Hindi man lang natinag itong si Ishizawa. Now Ishizawa has been knocked out once in his career, and he did suffer that knockout loss against Masataka Taniguchi in 2019. Nauunahan na Ganov. Again, the reach advantage has been totally negated. Now watch out for the low blows. Taniguchi has really, Ishizawa has really flipped the script here. Naging flat-footed na itong si Sugano. Pull off something. Ishizawa is in his face. Another round looming towards the fighter from Japan. Sugano was so accurate in the first 3 rounds. Now he can't. Sugano ahead, but only by 1 round. The last 3 unofficially have gone the way of Ishizawa. Ishizawa now body hunting. Di na muna niya pakikialaman yung sugat sa ulo nitong si Sugano, which has opened up again. Not quite sure if it came from an accidental headbutt. Some power shots to the body as well from Sugano. He's trying to destroy the timing of Ishizawa. And it looks like here in the 8th round, Sugano has been successful so far. He has a 4-inch height advantage over division after campaigning most of his career as a minimum weight. Both fighters came in at 107 and... Oh! Ishizawa got staggered there by the left hook coming from Sugano. And another one! Ishizawa is down!
At bumagsak na nga ang Hapon. Sa part na yan ay binilangan siya ng referee at muling tinuloy ang laban.
Smells the blood, wants to get it back. Oh, great right coming from Ishizawa. Napatras daw si Sugano. Ishizawa in this pivotal 8th round. 1 knockdown scored already, so this is a 10-8 round for Sugano. The question is, can Ishizawa get the knockdown back? That right hand.
Ito na yung part na babawian na siya ng Pinoy at hindi na siya makaka-recover dahil papaulan na siya ng kaliwat kanang suntok hanggang mapalodan at tinagisa na nga siya ng puting panyo ng kampo ng Hapon at hindi na po nakayanan.
The corner of Kai Ishizawa threw in the towel after the late barrage coming from Reggie Sugano's head. There you can see that. He's got the oxygen on. He's pointing to his head. I'm not quite sure if he felt something there.
Ayan nga po mga kababayan, at tinoxidin na po ang Hapon dahil ididiretso po na po yan sa ospital dahil nahihirapan na siya huminga.
Round number 8. We have your winner by way of technical knockout. And still the WBO Global Junior Flyweight Champion, Reggie, the Filipino Phenom Sugano.
Dito na lang.